Alright guys, we're done with our riding today and we're getting some lunch. It's Filipino spaghetti by the Macon boys, guys. Look at that. Is it Macon or Chicago?
Macon.
Macon boys. And look at Corey, guys, right there.
Chicago boys didn't bring anything.
And we have some...
We brought the rain. Don't forget that.
Yeah, they brought the snow, but it turns into rain, guys. Okay, that's from Chicago.
Melted.
And melted. And we have the, of course, man, the sponsor is In Town Donuts, and we have some corn right here, and some beers from NC, guys. Okay, this is a 1-minute video, and some chicharrones, guys, and some radish. This is radish, labanos. And look at the Filipino spaghetti, guys. And we're gonna have a proper dinner tonight. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah.
My
Oh,
wife
yeah.
cooked this.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Corey,
I baked this bread.
you bake that bread. Oh yes. Corey, how is it, Corey?
Is it good, Corey? The different spaghetti.
It's different, huh?
Huh?
It's a little bit sweet, huh?
It's sweet.
I like it.
Yeah.
Sweet.
And to give you a good view of the, the reward, guys. That's the reward right there. Okay? And this is the accommodation, guys. It's a beautiful accommodation. So I think we're gonna get back. And there's Nando, guys. Yeah, buddy. So this is the accommodation. It's a beautiful accommodation, guys. A 5-bedroom Airbnb. Thanks for Ricky. Ricky is the one who find this beautiful accommodation. All right, that's a 2-minute video, and we'll catch you later. Oh man, this is some good stuff. Okay. All right.